Hi students, this is Viswanath Chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. See the numericals related to ideal gas equation. 34.05 ml of phosphorus vapor weighs 0.0625 grams at 546 degrees Celsius and 0.1 bar pressure. What is the molar mass of phosphorus? Okay, see here, given volume V equal to 34.05 ml, that is 34.05 into 10 power minus 3 liters, pressure P equal to 0.1 bar, temperature T equal to 546 degrees Celsius plus 273, that is 819 Kelvin. Weight of the substance is 0.0625 grams. So ideal gas equation PV equal to nRT. Here N means number of moles. Formula weight of the substance by molar mass. R means gas constant. Its value 8.314 into 10 power minus 2 bar liter mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Here pressure is given in bar, volume is given in liters. So we have to take this R value. Molar mass capital M equal to WRT by PV. Substitute all the values, then we can get molar mass of the substance, that is 1249.6 grams. Next, calculate the temperature of 4.0 moles of a gas occupying 5 decimeter cube at 3.32 bar. Given R equal to 0.083 bar decimeter cube Kelvin inverse mole inverse. Okay, pressure is given, volume, number of moles, temperature we should find out. Very simple. Say this, T equal to PV by NR. Substitute pressure, volume, gas constant R and number of moles, then we can get 50 Kelvin. So option C is the answer. Okay, next. Dry ice is solid carbon dioxide at dry ice is solid carbon dioxide. A 0.050 gram sample of dry ice in an evacuated 4.6 liters vessel at 30 degrees Celsius. Calculate the pressure inside the vessel after all the dry ice has been converted to CO2 gas. Okay, given volume V equal to 4.6 liters, temperature T equal to 30 degrees Celsius plus 273, that is 303 Kelvin. Weight of dry ice, how much? 0.050 grams. Here volume in liters, pressure value we should find out. In the options, pressure is given in the atmosphere. So liter atmosphere, then gas constant capital R equal to 0.0821 liter atmosphere mole inverse Kelvin inverse. From ideal gas equation PV equal to nRT, pressure we have to find out, P equal to nRT by V. Substitute the values, then we can get answer 6.11 into 10 power minus 3 atmosphere. So what is the answer? Option D. Okay, next. Oxygen gas generated by the decomposition of potassium chlorate is collected. The volume of oxygen collected at 24 degrees Celsius and atmospheric pressure of 760 mm of Hg is 128 ml. Calculate the mass of oxygen gas obtained. The pressure of water vapor at 24 degrees Celsius is 22.4 mm of Hg. Okay, potassium chlorate decomposition gives oxygen. What is the formula? KClO3 gives rise to 2 KClO3 gives rise to 2 KCl plus 3 O2. So the formed oxygen mass we should find out. See this, total pressure PT equal to 760 mm of Hg, volume V equal to 128 ml, that is 0.128 liters. temperature T equal to 24 plus 273. Then in Kelvin scale 297 Kelvin. Pressure of water vapor pH2O value is 22.4 mm of Hg. So we want partial pressure of O2. So for this we have to subtract pressure of water vapor from the total pressure. So PO2 equal to PT minus pH2O. Total pressure 760 minus water vapor pressure 22.4. Then partial pressure of oxygen equal to 737.6 mm of Hg. So partial pressure of oxygen in terms of atmosphere. So 737.6 divided by 760 atmosphere mm. Then we can get in atmosphere 0.971 atmosphere. So ideal gas equation PV equal to nRT, N equal to PV by RT. That implies number of moles formula, given mass divided by molar mass, that equal to PV by RT. Weight of the substance, that means mass of the oxygen gas, M equal to PV into molar mass of oxygen divided by RT. Substitute all the values, then we can get mass of the oxygen obtained. So that is 0.163 grams. Then what is the answer? Option C is the answer, 0.163 grams. Okay. Next, the pressure of sodium vapor in a 1.0 liter container is 10 tar at 1000 degrees Celsius. How many atoms are present in the container? Volume is given, temperature is given, pressure is given, number of atoms we should find out. That means we have to find out number of moles. From that we can get our required answer. So given V equal to 1.0 liter, pressure P equal to 10 tar, in atmosphere 0.0131 atmosphere, because 1 tar equal to 0.00131 atmosphere. Here 10 tar is given, in atmosphere value is 0.0131. Temperature equal to, in Kelvin scale, 1273 Kelvin. R value 0.0821 liter atmosphere mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Substitute all these values in ideal gas equation. PV equal to nRT. Number of moles we want, N equal to PV by RT. Substitute the values. After doing calculation, we can get 1.25 into 10 power minus 4 number of moles. 1 mole of sodium is a monatomic substance. So 1 mole of sodium, how many atoms are there? 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms. Avogadro number of atoms are there. In these moles, how many number of atoms? Do the cross multiplication. Then we can get 7.52 into 10 power 19 atoms. So what is the option? 7.52 means option B is the answer. Okay. Next, 0.553 grams of a boron hydrogen compound created a pressure of 0.658 atmosphere in a bulb of 407 ml at 100 degrees Celsius. Analysis showed it to be 85.7% boron. Calculate its molecular formula. Okay, pressure, volume, temperature, mass of the substance is given. Now find out number of moles. That means from this we have to get first molecular mass of the substance or molar mass of the substance. Given pressure P equal to 0.658 atmosphere, volume 407 ml, that is 0.407 liter. Temperature in Kelvin scale 373. Weight of the substance 0.553 grams. So ideal gas equation PV equal to nRT. N means weight of the substance by molar mass. So from this molar mass we want. So substitute remaining values, then we can get 63.23. Here given 85.7% boron. Suppose the given compound, if we consider 100 grams of the compound, in that 87.7 grams of boron is present. Now according to given data, we have 63.23 grams of the compound. In that, how much amount of boron is there? This much, 54.19 grams of boron. 54.19 grams means how many moles? Moles means we have to divide this with molar mass, then 5 gram atom. So 5 gram atom of boron present means formula is B5HX, because H is a monoatomic gas. That's why we can say HX. Now the molar mass of this compound is 63.23. So the sum of the atomic masses of this boron and hydrogen should be equal to 0. Then we can write 5 into 10 power 8 plus X equal to 63.23. From this we can get X equal to 9.23. So we have to consider integer to get the formula. So 9, formula of the compound is B5H9. Okay, what is the option? Option A is the answer. Okay students, we'll meet you in the next class.